Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and what a difference these Fresh Step cat litter crystals make. They work so well at neutralizing odors, and with 3 cats, that is not easy. But I'm actually finding that I'm forgetting to clean the cat box because I'm not smelling the odors that I normally do. And it's such a simple step to take, but it makes a huge difference. And it just really supplements my cat litter, whether it's scented or unscented. All that I do is fill the cap with the crystals and sprinkle it on the litter. I do it when I initially fill the cat box, and then each time I clean it for a touch-up, I add more crystals. The scent is so excellent. It does smell so summery and fresh. These Fresh Step cat litter crystals in Summer Breeze has made such a huge difference for us in managing the odors coming from the cat box. And that's our point of view.